how to put the new fill. The first step we need to cut the fill is triangle angle. Because with this angle, it's much easier to jack the fill down. Okay, now. Open this part. Look, with this angle, step by step, move the fill down. Oh, come on, and then close the vertical part.我再檢查呢個距離啊。And double check the gap。太多依家係嘛？係啊。Now it's too much. We can put this part forward. And more close to the fill, just leave 2 or 3 millimeters.
睇見呢度冇啱啱封到嘅呢度。
And see this part filling around 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. And then tight the screws. 鎖翻緊，係嘛？係。呢個過程要等個膜放開同埋後邊嗰個。
係啊係啊。如果係通電嘅話，佢就會自己放嘅。但係冇通電嘅話，就要後邊嗰個拉起身。
And tight screws, tight it again.